Okay, we're at the elementary school now, so we're gonna go around the track. This is usually fun. I'll see if I can keep the camera steady. It's about 42 today, so it's not that cold. One of the frustrations of filming and not being able to edit is that some of the best stuff. So this is take 2 anyway. Let's go. Come on. Ooh, one-handed down. Come on. All right. Do you like this? Do you like to pull? Yeah? Yeah? Show me how much. Show me how much. Come on. Oh, a rookie mistake. There you go. Come on, go. Go, dog. Go, dog. Go. Uh-oh, now you did it. Now you did it. Come on. Come on, go. What are you waiting? Let's go. Come on. Come on, go. 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 Shut up and run. All right. Go. All right, everybody knows you're here now. All right, she knows this area. Sometimes it's pretty slick. See her start to gallop already. I'm not even coaching her or urging her. She almost unhinges like a cat in the rear end. There's a chicane up here. I don't know if I can do it one-handed, but so I might have to go down on the bars, especially if I speed her up a little bit. Let's see what happens here. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on, go. Go, dog, go. All right. All right, show me how fast you can go. Come on, I just geared up. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Show me what you got. Come on. Show me what you got. Is that all you got? Is that all you got? Ooh. You hate this, don't you? Yeah, you really hate this. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Come on. This is the best I can do one-handed. She's really lunging now, though. I can keep up with her. Ah, water. Yeah. Oh, my butt's wet. Anyway. Come on, let's go. Come on. Show me what you got. Come on. I can beat you. I can beat you. I can beat you. Whoa. Oh, that was close. Whoa. Woo. Good thing we've been practicing riding on the lawn. I saw it on one of the videos. Anyway, we're gonna stop. Stop. Okay. Come here. Say goodbye. Come here. Say goodbye to Mama. Here. Here. Come here. Say goodbye to Mama. Here. There you go. Yeah. Good girl. All right. We're going to go to Good Guys. Get some pizza maybe. Thanks for watching.